Hey guys, it's Marcella, Pebbles Crazy Crystals. So this is another update on the Pebble Shack. Hold on, let me close the door a little bit. Those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Marcella. I am the creator and owner of Pebbles Crazy Crystals on Etsy. We also have a website. I will put the link in the description box below. So this is my new she shed in my backyard. I do not have a dedicated space in the house, so I had to break down and get a shed. I know it's kind of dark. I want to see, maybe I can turn it on. I got one light working. Well, anyway, the electrician has to come on Monday to fix that other light. However, I do have electricity now. So it's going to probably take me about a couple of months to get everything organized and moved in, simply because I'm still working my full-time job. Sorry if there is an echo. Like I said, there's nothing in here to absorb the sound. So the newest update is the floor. Okay. So this is a Providence oak vinyl, which turned out beautifully. I'm starting to move in. I'm gonna work at least on this wall back here behind me, as far as unboxing crates and stuff, which that's one box right there. That thing is extremely heavy and I'm tired. So, yeah, I'm going to keep posting as I am doing more updating. Hopefully, I was hoping that the electrician would come today, but they had an issue when they put the sheetrock up. They screwed up my electricity. So the guy who obviously who put the sheetrock up is paying for the electrician bill, because I think they put a nail through one of the wires as they were putting it up. Go figure. But it is what it is. So, but anyway, this is what I'm going to be doing. Like I said, all the live sales, all of my tarot readings on my other channel, which is Tai Tarot. I'm also going to start doing personalized readings on that channel also. I have that linked actually to the Pebbles website. So yeah, everything is going good. Like I said, just some few minor setbacks, and that's what happens when you have like new construction. So I'm actually going to show you guys we're going outside. So yeah, that's my little cart from Temu that I bought. So we're going back into the house. I want you guys to kind of see exactly what I have to move into the shed. So I'm going to turn around. And that's Pebble Shack right there. 9 feet wide, 16 feet long. I want it bigger, but I couldn't get anything bigger through my gate, so. Anyway, okay. Going back into the house. If you hear birds, excuse them. I am making advent calendars. I should have them up and listed by today. But just giving you guys an idea. That's some stuff there. This stuff over here. All of this stuff over here. That, this, all of this. Like I say, excuse my birds. All of this here. That hamper actually has all of my bubble wrap in it. So, all of that down there. Of course, I got some under here, right in there. I got some other stuff behind the bed. Excuse my birds. These 4 crates here. For those of you who want to know who Pebbles is, and the reason why I named my store Pebbles Crazy Crystals is because of this little girl that just flew over here. That is Pebbles. She doesn't like cameos a lot, but that's okay. Maybe those 2 carts here, I'm not really sure. Those 2 bags right there. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm only off for 5 more days, and I'll go back to work. So anyway, guys, please like, share, subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.